Hey you guys, I am super excited to hop on and highlight this really nice adjustable height desk that also can tilt. This thing is awesome and I'm going to go through and tell you some of the cool features about it. First of all, this took my husband about 10 minutes to set up. It was super easy. You don't need any additional tools. Comes with everything you need. Very simple put together, which is huge. I love when it's just quick and easy. I'm not having to try and figure out what goes where. It's just very straightforward. And that was this, which is awesome. Next thing I want to highlight, this has wheels on it. So it is really easy to move and wheel forward and backward, which just makes it really nice in your home because you can easily move it from one place to the next without having to pick it up and carry it somewhere. You can just wheel it with you. So really nice little wheels right on the bottom, which are great. I love this beautiful wood color with the black accents. It's just so pretty, but it's also basic, so it can go in a number of different environments. It's not loud, like you can't put it in anywhere. This is very basic and simple, but really beautiful as well. So love that. Next thing I want to highlight, it's got this really narrow bar here on the bottom, which allows you to slide it under tight spaces really easily. And I also love that because I just think it makes it so much more functional. Next thing I'm going to show you, this is an adjustable height desk. So if you want to use it sitting, you can. If you want to use it standing, you can. So I'm going to show you how low it goes. So this is as low as it goes. This would be like sitting in a pretty low chair. Or you can, I'm going to just show you the range right here. You can have it all the way up to like chest height. So you could use this as a standing desk, which I absolutely love. Next thing, it's got this nice little holder here on the bottom. So this is going to be perfect if you've got a book or a computer or something that you don't want slipping down the end. You can use that. And now here is the last cool feature that I'm going to show you right here. This part allows you to tip this desk up. So you can make this totally standing. This part stays flat. So if you have like pens, a drink, things like that you don't want to have to worry about tipping, this part stays flat. So they've really thought this design through very well. It's so basic and simple, but so functional. So like I mentioned, this little tab right here, you can put it at whatever height you want. It doesn't have to go all the way up, but you can have it as high as this or totally flat. So I am loving this. I think that this is a great size. It's plenty large for like a textbook, for a notebook, for a computer, but it's not so large as like a full-size desk because that can be really hard to kind of maneuver throughout your house. So it gives you the perfect working space with all of the features you need, but not making it too big that you can't fit it anywhere. So come with me, I'm gonna show you, you can actually use this as well while you are in bed if you want to, which is really nice, or on the couch. Like if you have a work from home job or you're studying a lot, things like that, and you wanna be able to work in comfortable places, this gives you that opportunity. So let's go check it out together. All right, so I just wanted to show you the setup that you can have in your bed or on your couch, but I chose to show you in the bed. I love this. So I've got my laptop right here. This is the perfect typing space. It fits so well. I could have things balanced right here like I mentioned earlier if I have my water or something like that that I want, or my AirPods. I could balance them right here. I don't have to worry about them adjusting with the desk. I think that this is such a smart feature. Loving that. But anyway, I can be here in bed. I can be working just as functionally as I would be at a normal desktop, things like that. You can adjust it up or down based on the height of your bed. But you guys, this is so smart. I am absolutely loving this. I feel like this can help so many people just be able to work in the comfort of their own home without having to feel like you're sitting formally at a desk. So if you're on the hunt for something like this, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's quality, it's an easy setup, and it is a great design.